Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a sticker that is die cut on the outside, but it's also kiss cut, so it allows you to be able to take off your sticker easily, and you don't have to fiddle around with trying to get that release paper off the back of your sticker. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that. Please excuse the fact that I have done this in advance, but I'm going to show you in the video. I have used this piece of sticker paper that I have left over, and it's scrap. So I thought rather than throwing it out, I would rather do a demonstration with that. And so just ignore that little part down there. But I will show you next on the computer how to set this up on your Silhouette Studio software. And I use the Business Edition. I think you can also use just the regular standard Studio Edition. And I do use an older edition of Silhouette Studio because I have the Silhouette Cameo 4 and I have not upgraded to the 7.5 as yet, but I will probably soon. So I hope you find this video helpful. And I did get a request on how to do a die cut sticker that is also kiss cut, so that when people try and take off that sticker, it's easily done. And as you can see here, it's really cool. It's got, see, all of that there, so it's just easy for it to be taken off. So I'll see you at the computer and we'll go from there. Thanks. Okay everyone, so here we are on my computer screen. I've got an earlier edition of the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. I don't have the 7.5 one, only because I have the not the 7.4, but I've got the Cameo 4 and the Cameo 1, and I don't want to upgrade this just yet. But what I am going to show you is how to make a sticker using both a die cut and a kiss cut in one. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put my image here, and I'll just increase the magnification so you can see that. And I'm going to use I've got a scrap piece of vinyl sticker paper that I want to use up, and it has another thing slightly printed on it, but I'm going to use that anyway, and we'll work around it. So what we're trying to achieve here is to die cut this image and also have a kiss cut on it at the same time. What this allows you to do is to die cut a sticker, and then it has another kiss cut around, like an offset around the image, so that way it's easy for whoever to take off the sticker without having to fight to get rid of the backing. Because as we all know, when the stickers are cut right to the actual edge of the sticker, it's really hard to remove that backing paper. So this will make it a lot easier. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to reduce my size of the mat and my media area to A6. Of course, you can choose to do whatever dimensions you want. I'm going to put on my registration marks on this. And I'm going to just put all of everything here on the side here with the registration marks all the way back. And we have an advanced option here as well. With the bottom insert, I'm going to make it go up a little here, because all I want to do is just cut the strawberries. I'll go a little bit further down. I don't want to go any further. And down here, when you see the printout, it will have another little image there, which I don't want to use. So I'm just going to make sure that the registration marks are up on the upper half of this. So with this image here, as you can see, I'm going to increase the magnification so you can have a look. It already has a red line all around it. I got this image off Creative Fabrica. If you're interested in this image, I will link it in the description box below this video. So this already has a cut line right around the image, and it's right on the image. But to create a sticker, we all like to have an offset. So I'm going to highlight this. As you can see, the boxes around there. I'm going to go to where my starfish is here, and that's my offset window, and I'm going to create an offset. The 0.060 seems to be a good offset, so I really like that. So we'll keep it at that. Now, in order to create a kiss cut on this particular sticker, I'm going to use vinyl, sticker vinyl paper. So for this color here, I'm going to change that to another color so I don't confuse myself. So I'm going to change it to blue. Okay, and what I want to do is leave it at that for the time being. And then I'm going to create another offset. Let's see. So now I'm going to highlight the blue one, the blue offset here, go to my offset there and create another offset. And that's going to look red. But I'm going to change that color to green. So I'll just go back in my line panel here, change that to green. So now you have the blue and the green on the outside, if you can have a look and see. So I'll increase that more. So you can see blue and green. Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to the send panel and we're going to go to the line images here. And as you can see here, we've got 3 colors. What I'm going to do is switch off the red so it doesn't cut it at all. And all you'll have left is the blue and the green. The green is going to be the die cut. The blue line is going to be the kiss cut. That's where we want to be able to peel off the sticker easily. So what you'll have to do then in order to do this properly is to go to your line color here and pick what material you're going to be using. So in this case, I have some sticker paper. I'm going to say sticker paper vinyl kiss cut because it's a vinyl. So I'm going to put that over there. And that's my material that I need to use. For this one here, I'm going to say cut as well. So it will know when I put it in to cut. So the blade depth, I will let you know on this screen once I edit this video what the blade depth is because I do not have my computer hooked up to the Silhouette. So you'll need a force of 6, a speed of 5 and a pass of 1. I will put down what the blade depth is afterwards. So we want that part kiss cut. Then for the green one, we go back over here to where it says the lines and we're going to go to my settings here, which is die cut sticker vinyl because we want to cut around that sticker altogether. So I'll press that one. I'm going to go to action cut. So when it's time for me to hook this up to the Silhouette, it will cut that as a die cut and this as a kiss cut. So the die cut is a force of 28, a speed of 8 and a pass of 1, and the blade depth, that will be put up on when I'm editing the video. So what we have to do now is go back to my design. I'm going to print this off and then we will cut it with the Silhouette. So I'll see you at the printer. Have put on my sticker paper on the mat. I'm going to load that into the machine. So I'm just going to come over here on the side, do that very quickly. I'm going to hold on to this, and then I'm going to go around to my computer and I'm going to press send. And the blade depth on this is 5, so I'm going to press send, and away we go. on the craft desk. So here is my mat, and I'm going to take this off. I had to use some painter's tape because I don't have much sticky left on my mat. So if you noticed when I was cutting the silhouette with the silhouette, basically I had to quickly shimmy it down, otherwise it was going to cut really badly and it would also just chew up the paper, so I had to be very careful with that. But I do have to re-sticky my mat. There's absolutely no stick left on it. It's ridiculous. But anyway, this is now successfully die cut. Okay, so that's now die cut. And as you can see, it's also kiss cut, see that? And it still has a little bit of the other bit around. So when you are making stickers for your customers or for yourself and you want to be able to take the backing off that tape, the release paper, geez, I can't speak anymore, please excuse me for that. But yeah, this will make it a lot easier. So you get your die cut sticker and then you have your kiss cut sticker and it's kiss cut perfectly. See that? So that's how you do it. I hope this helps. If you want the blade depth and everything of a laminated sticker, you can view my previous video where I go through the exact settings for die cut, kiss cut, laminated and unlaminated stickers. Please excuse me, seriously, very bad. And you can watch it from there. This video just shows you how to do a kiss cut, die cut with the method and for an unlaminated sticker. So I found that these settings have been very helpful and have been a fail-safe for me. But also feel free to adjust because sometimes not all sticker papers are made the same. And also you may need to able to adjust because of your blade and what condition it's in, etc. So do bear in mind you may have to tweak things a little bit, but I found these settings very, very helpful. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know and I'll be very happy to get back to you. Okay guys, thanks and have a wonderful day. Bye.